Today I'm reviewing Candid-X. It supports a balanced microbiome, and it's by BioMatrix company. It's also 90 capsules. Sorry, I keep saying capsules. My bad. But you have to take 2 every single day. It says 3 times per day as recommended by your healthcare professional. And it has like some sodium, biotin, sodium carbylate, oregano, cinnamon, ginger, and rosemary, and a lot of more stuff. So if you want to see how this helps you, I recommend you to check their product page, and it helps you, like, it lets you it gives you knowledge of like what this could potentially help you with. And if you feel like it's for you and you need it, then I definitely do recommend this product. And I'm also going to show you guys how the pill looks. It smells very like rosemary. The strong of rosemary is very strong. And this is how the pill looks. It's very yellow. So you can see here. And it looks like it's not a big pill. You can have to swallow, and it doesn't smell nasty or anything. It just literally smells like rosemary. That's the main smell as well.